So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel an order in eBay. So first of all, log in. After you've logged in, you'll see here in the top left corner with small letters it says hi and then your first name. In this case it says Adam. And from there you can see account settings, sign out, and some other options. You can see daily deals, gift cards, ship to, sell, watch list. You can see my eBay. And on there you can see summary, recently viewed, bids, offers, watch list, as well as purchase history, as some other options pop up as well. Open up your purchase history. From here you can see all purchases, processing, unpaid items, returns, and cancels. So you can see some other filters for your orders. So once you purchased something, you will see a list of it on here. Now in order to cancel an order, what's important to understand is that if the item has been shipped, you can't cancel it anymore. So if it's in the processing stage, so you click on this and you find it on there, you will see the three dots or the more actions button, which will look something similar to these buttons right here. It will be in the corner of your order. You can choose that and you can see the option cancel an order. So through there, you can start the canceling process, and after it's completed, your order will be canceled. Then you can talk to the seller about a refund, but just make sure that your item hasn't been shipped yet. So it's very important to say that, because if it's been shipped, you can't cancel it anymore on eBay. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.